এটা কি?
ক
ক। ওকে।
রিবি বাবা রিবি বাবা রিবি বাবা রিবি বাবা রিবি বাবা
রায়না, it's done.
blue color go
হয়ে গেছে।
Baba, you don't like you will color the car and I make car.
এটা কি?
Runner car बना दिया.
এটা ক্লাউড।
Cloud not this car.
दिस इज क। रायना, क लुक्स लाइक दिस। क ऐसे होता है,
इन कलर ऐसे नहीं होता है.
ऐसे नहीं होता है, फिर कैसे होता है?
ऐसे होता है.
ओह वेरी गुड।
I finished.
Oh, you see? Yuski, what he eat today?
Laser banana
Bananas?
and bread and powder.
Okay.
Now I'm eating. Eat banana.
अच्छा, reason. See, the first reason is that it is one of the shortest books I've ever read. It's 127 pages. So if you have stopped reading, which you have, this is a perfect book to start from. So,
Okay.
you can finish it in a couple of hours and it will suck you in, and then you'll finish it and you'll have the feeling that I have finished reading a book.
Is it a physical book?
It's an ebook, but that's why you can start small. Like you can read 100 pages, you can probably not read 300 pages as an ebook. So that's the first reason. The second reason, which is like a 1A, 1B. 1B is that it's from a point of view of a 4-year-old girl, 3-4-year-old girl. तो जिसका मतलब है कि language is super simple. So you'll finish the book quicker. I have more reasons. I will tell you later. So who's happy?
Yay! So I got the brand on board, and I'm not getting anything out of this. Like, I'm not getting any money or any sort of benefit. Please note that. I know people, all of us have trust issues, especially when it comes to Instagrammers, etc. It's nothing wrong. I know that there is constant selling and there's constant brand endorsements and collaborations, and that makes you not trust a lot of people. I understand that, but ये genuinely बहुत ही फाड़ू प्रोडक्ट है, और जो भी यूज़ करेगा उसको पता चलेगा कि ये ग्लो कहाँ से आता है, ये ग्लो इससे आता है. And good luck. What you need to do is you need to go and follow their page.
If they'll follow your page and you'll get all the details there, na?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
मेरा Instagram है avanti2.
जिसमें 2 eyes है. So AVANTII.
Number 2.
We'll
And
give
by
the
the way, मेरे पास
details.
Instagram पहले आया था, दूसरे के पास बाद में आता है.
We'll give
Because
both our
Instagram-
Instagram links on the doobly-doo.
Okay.
Do you know what a doobly-doo is?
No, you'll tell me later, no? कैमरा पे बताओगे.
Description को John Green doobly-doo बोलता था.
डुबली-डू.
It's just his terminology.
अच्छा, ऐसे इंग्लिश का वर्ड तो नहीं है ना?
No.
फिर ठीक है, डुबली-डू.
Mummy, what's on the menu today?
South Indian dish, sambar. पंजाबी है बट अवंतिका और अंकित बचपन से ही सांबर चावल खाने के शौकीन है. बिना हैरान होती है कि मम्मी इतनी तो मैं भी शौकीन नहीं हूँ जितने अंकित अवंतिका है. खाती है वो, बट बोलती है कि नहीं नहीं इतनी शौकीन नहीं.
We'll take Veena's opinion on it.
तो ब्राह्मी चाट चाट के खाती है डोसे को. आज वो बोली उसको चटनी भी खिलाऊंगी.
We'll take Brahmi's opinion on it as well.
हाँ, ब्राह्मी डोसे को खाती है.
हाँ, बताओ क्या खा रहे हो?
This is dosa, this is sambar, this is chutney, this is dahi, and this is a lot of chawal.
चलो बताओ. सेकंड रीजन.
Second reason, can I eat and let you know later? I have to connect my thoughts.
ओके. हाय मेरा सोनू. हाय मेरा सोनू.
नजर
Okay.
लगती है.
Anyway, if you want to be a shonu, you better be a sood.
That is such a bad joke that I am hearing from yesterday. That if you क्या है?
If you want to be a sonu, you better be a sood.
Ha ha ha
It's funny.
ha ha.
हाँ बोलो. Next reason.
Next, next reason है that any book that is centered around a revolution, I really like that. So this was around Bangladesh Liberation War. So I really, I mean, it's a little cruel to say that it's fascinating, but it is fascinating. Although a lot of people died and there was genocide, etc.
But you've heard stories as well because Ma was there.
No, Ma was not there, but Ma knew a few people who were there.
Okay.
So I've heard stories, but वहाँ इतना detail नहीं मिलता जितना books में मिल जाता है. So there was a lot of detail in the book about how Sheikh Mujibur Rahman handled the entire situation. Although he called for the revolution and he called for independence, but he was also sucked into a whole power struggle that maybe he could keep premiership of Bangladesh. So that was Muktor Juddhi, and India of course played a major role in it because India had this. So they were funding this. Of course, उस time पे तो उसे terrorist group बोला जाता था, but it was actually a freedom/liberation group called Mukti Bahini, which Indira Gandhi sort of. हाँ अच्छा उसमें ये भी था कि book में नहीं है, but like Indira Gandhi really got sucked into the entire thing because of two reasons. One thing is that there was this journalist by the name of Anthony Mascarenhas. तो पाकिस्तान ने उसे बांग्लादेश भेजा था. तो पाकिस्तान वहाँ पे ऑपरेशन सर्चलाइट एक्सेट्रा कर रहा था, where the primary reason was that just kill all the intelligent people, all the academics, all the doctors, so that if you just kill the thinking minds, there will be no revolution. तो एंथनी मास्करेनस को वहाँ पे भेजा गया कि just go and write stuff that looks positive for Pakistan. वो वहाँ से US भाग गया और उसने असली आर्टिकल लिख दिया संडे टाइम्स में. इंदिरा गांधी ने वो पढ़ा और बोला कि we have to intervene because it was human rights violation on various levels. One was that. Second reason was that they thought that fighting with Pakistan, like going on an all-out war, is cheaper than inhabiting all the Bangladeshi refugees that were pouring over the border. So they thought, let's just go to war, and the war also lasted from India's side, the war lasted for I think 13 दिन.
Wow.
So from 3rd December 1971 to I think 15 or 16 में India had overrun all of Bangladesh. Of course, उससे पहले they were funding Mukti Bahini, they were training all those people there, and they were planning all the guerrilla wars. So all those things were pretty. हाँ अच्छा, the other interesting thing was which is I've seen which is so popular amongst Bengalis across different religions, that so there were a lot of reasons why East Pakistan and West Pakistan they broke up, and उन्होंने कहा कि बांग्लादेश ने कहा कि हम अपनी identity करेंगे. Is that Bengalis consider themselves Bengalis in the first thing, that we are Bengalis no matter where we are. So West Pakistan wanted them to get rid of their language and their culture, and Bengalis said that हम तो ये नहीं कर पाएंगे, like we are Bengalis and foremost, and that's why we'll not let go. So they said let's start speaking Urdu, we'll not keep Bengali as the official language. So ये सब हुआ. से Bengali said no, this is not going to happen. And Bengalis में एक ही problem थी. एक तो वहाँ पे there were two problems actually. One was, and both of them are valid. एक तो सारा business West Pakistan में होता था, because of course Bengalis can't handle business. And second, that West Pakistan was very they were very army inclined, whereas Bengali men are not very martial. So सारा पैसा military में था, which means that West Pakistan was cornered huge chunks of the economy. So these were a few problems, of course, from the fact that सबसे major यही था कि we are Bengalis. Joy Bangla. Bhaiya, what is your review of दोपहर का सांबर and अब रात का सांबर?
दोपहर में नहीं खाया.
दोपहर का आपने नहीं खाया था ये? तो क्या रिव्यू है आपका?
खा के देखता हूँ. ये डोसा इज 3 on 10.
डोसा इज 3 on 10. मम्मी डोसा इज 3 on 10.
And सांबर 1.5.
मम्मी 1.5. Mummy, why do you have two of the pickiest eaters as your children?
बेफिक्र थी कि सांभर चावल अंकित के लिए बने पड़े हैं, क्योंकि रोज़ सोचना पड़ता है आप लोगों के लिए तो वैसा खाना बनाओ, फिर इन लोगों के लिए इंडियन, इसको भिंडी रोटी खानी है, तोरी लौकी खानी है, तो आज मैं बेफिक्र थी। अब ये भी कंडम कर दिया इसने, बताओ।
20 में से आपको टोटल मिले हैं
हाँ
4.5।
ओ बाबा थाली उठा लो
अब
आगे से।
अवंतिका से पूछता हूँ। अवंतिका, भैया ने दोपहर के सांभर को दिए हैं
1.5
सांभर को 1.5 और डोसा को 3 on 10। तुम्हारा क्या रेटिंग है? ऑनेस्ट रेटिंग बताना, जो तुम दोपहर अभी बोल रही थी शाम को। 8 सांभर।
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बस उसमें थोड़ा खट्टा कम है।
और डोसा?
डोसा 100।
तू कौन होती है बोलने वाली जब तुझे कुछ आता ना बनाना?
Just because you are married to one Tamilian doesn't mean that
आज
you
हैरान हुई हूँ। एक बार क्या हुआ, इंडिया में शिमला मिर्च बिल्कुल नहीं सांभर में डलती, तो वीना ने सांभर में शिमला मिर्च डाल दी। अवंतिका ने कहा नहीं, ये सांभर बना ही नहीं, इसमें शिमला मिर्च डाल दी। और आज इसने पता है क्यों रिजेक्ट किया है? खटाई वटाई में कमी नहीं है। आज अरहर की दाल कम थी, मैंने मसूरी की दाल मिलाई है। ये बार बार मुझे बोल रही है कोई टेस्ट की चीज़ की कमी है, कुछ कमी है। अवंतिका मुझे अब याद आया।
भैया, व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ मम्मीज जजमेंट ऑफ अवंतिका's जजमेंट?
मम्मी को खुद कुछ नहीं पता और इसको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं।
just because he's married to one South Indian girl doesn't mean कि हमारा South Indian food reject कर देगा। तुझे बताओ
खाना
best,
रिजेक्ट करता भाई साउथ
तो
इंडियन।
तुझे तुम बताओ कि सबसे बेस्ट सांभर कौन बनाता है, जल्दी बताओ। बोलो कि वो क्या कर रहा है, दिखाई थोड़ी दे रहा है, बोलो।
सरवना भवन।
ओके,
कौन?
सर्वना भवन एंड नेक्स्ट इज यू।
Don't say Sarvarna Bhavan and me.
ओके, यू।
भैया तू ना ये ऐसे बच्चों को बिगाड़ता, फिर हमारे पे लटकती है।
ये हाथ से ना निकल जाए, बस यही डर लगता है।
बस बस यही छोटा सा डर। रायना, बस स्टॉप करेंगे अब।